Grandpa. Here you go.
I got her too.
Yeah, you did. She likes it too. Hey, here's a gift for Eli. You want to open it?
I can help.
Sure.
That's her bone.
That's her bone.
That's from Grandma and Grandpa.
Let's see what it is.
What is it?
Go get your bone.
That's telling her. That's telling her.
Oh, look at she did it.
Yeah, too.
She's helping you. It's like, don't you distract me from my present. Keep your phone.
I wonder where he's heard that tone of voice before.
Uh-oh, Grandpa taped it.
When Matt was opening your presents. He's like, these are intense. Like,
What is it?
what?
Does he already have this one?
Nope.
Oh.
What?
Turn over the other side.
Oh.
Who's that?
Goodness sakes.
Who's that?
Goodness
Who's that guy?
It's Spider-Man.
Spider-Man. You bet.
Spider-Man.
Does he have that one, Amy?
No.
Okay.
This is awesome.
Joker. Spider-Man.
That's awesome.
Is that Doc Ock?
A couple pages.
Spider-Man.
All right.
Who's that?
Craven.
Raven.
Oh.
What's that?
Uh-oh. Where'd this come from?
Sandman? Sandman? Does he live in the sand?
Hey, your mommy have to read that to you.
What's that?
I don't know. Where'd you get that from?
Oh, it must have been in there. I don't know. Is that Spider-Man? Who's that?